This is my trusty Weber kettle grill. One of the best things I ever did regarding food is ditching the gas grill and going for charcoal. Now, I've formed a wonderful relationship with Kevin the kettle, but it can be a lot of hassle lighting charcoal and regulating temperatures. But when it comes to slow smoking and grilling, there's a new kid on the block. This, my foodie friends, is the Ninja Electric Woodfire Grill. Is it a suitable replacement for Kevin the kettle? Let's find out. I've had this for about a week now and I've got to say I'm absolutely blown away by it. Small, it's versatile and portable. It only weighs about 12 kilos, so you can pick it up, move it around pretty easily. It has all the usual Ninja features: grill, air fry, roast, bake, dehydrate, reheat, but the most important add-on for this is the smoker function. Now, if you know me or you watch the channel regularly, you'll know that I love grilling. I just don't think you can get that amount of flavour using a traditional hob. Now, I've done about 3 or 4 cooks on this so far and I have to say I'm absolutely blown away. Now, this comes with a hefty price tag of £350 and I think the most difficult thing you'll find is actually getting hold of one. I actually don't think they can make these things quick enough, especially with summer about to arrive. If you are lucky enough to get hold of one, what do you get for that £350? Let's take a look. Let's lift the lid up. You get this non-stick grill tray, which is pretty impressive. It cleans really easily. I've had no problems with it sticking at the moment. Let's just hope it stays like that. Also, if you want to go into air fry mode, it comes with the air fryer basket, and that just closes over that nicely. Got a bit of a wobbly table here. Now, I don't want to sound too harsh, but one slight negative is the plug. You can't detach the plug. I've seen a lot of people who want to leave these outside, and it's just the fear of getting the cable wet. And you also get this quick start guide recipe book. To be fair, there's some good stuff in here to get you started. I've seen a lot of people online complaining that the temperatures are wrong, but I've done 3 or 4 recipes out of here and I've had no problems at all. And they also throw in, to get you started, these Ninja Woodfire pellets. You've got all-purpose blend and robust blend just to get you started. They won't last that long, probably about 10 cooks, and you'll have to order some more. Ninja do stress that you just use their pellets only. There's lots of alternatives out there online and they are a lot cheaper. I'll leave that up to you. If you want to carry on using Ninja pellets, they're much more expensive. And you get one of these little scoops. One of these full of pellets will fill the smoke hopper. Speaking of the smoker function, let's take a look. So I'm going to set myself up for a quick cook for a demonstration for you guys. So here's the smoker. Just lift that up. There's the little scoop. Just fill that up full, and that should keep smoking for about an hour, maybe an hour and a half. Really as simple as that. So all that's left to do now is cook something on it. Just a nice easy one, some chicken shawarma kebabs. So let's take a look at the marinade and what I did yesterday. Firstly, combine the marinated ingredients and mix well. Add to a glass bowl and throw in 500 grams or 1 pound of chicken thighs or fillets. Mix the marinade into the chicken. Cover with cling wrap and leave in the fridge for a minimum of 2 hours or a maximum of 24. So let's switch her on. I'm going to go to smoker mode, 190. I'm going to set the timer for about 15 minutes. And let's just click start. It's going to preheat. You can start smoking without the preheat, but I'm just going to let it warm up and let's hit the ignition. It will start to smoke. Now this will probably take about 10 minutes just to get up to temperature. Now the unit is up to temperature. We have smoke. Let's add that pre-marinated chicken. You could do these on grill mode, but I've tried them on smoker once and it just worked an absolute treat. So I'm going to pop back in maybe about 7 minutes just to see how these are getting on, and stick the old temperature probe in, and we'll see where we are. Away you go, Ninja. Just as we're part way through the cook, I just want to add that you can add smoke into all the other modes except for reheat. Okay, we're 10 minutes into the cook. The smell is incredible. I'm just going to pop these over now, and I think they'll take another 5 to 7 minutes and I'll be ready, but they're looking really good. Now let's cut into this chicken. It smells incredible, and just look at that. It's just, you just can't, proper juicy. Will I be using this more than a kettle grill? Absolutely, it's just no fuss, much easier and much faster. Will I be dishing a kettle grill? The answer to that is no. The reason being, this is probably good for cooking for maybe 3 or 4 people, but you are quite limited for space. If there's a big gathering here in the garden, I will be firing the kettle up. So don't worry, Kevin, I'm not taking you to the tip right now. Do I recommend a Ninja Woodfire Grill? Absolutely, I'm completely blown away by it. It's just what a piece of kit. And sometimes, as much as I love charcoal and traditional grilling, you know, man and fire and all that thing, I think you just have to embrace new technology. You do miss a little bit of the charcoal taste, but goodness me, this thing is just so good. While it's quite clear how much I'm all over this thing, do I recommend it? Absolutely, must get one if you can get hold of one, that is. Now I'm going to pop an Amazon affiliate link down in the video description. If you click that, that'll take you directly to Amazon's website. It all helps and goes towards camera equipment, microphones, and just making my channel that little bit better. So do stick around, hit that subscribe button. I'm going to be doing much more Ninja smoking and Ninja recipes, so do hang around for that. I really would appreciate if you hit that subscribe button. So thanks for watching, see you next time. I'm going to enjoy this rare English sun and I'm off for a beer. Catch you later.